In this video, we're going to demonstrate how quick you can estimate for a brand new item in CartonERP. If it was an existing item, we certainly could, do a search through our list of items and add a couple items to our estimate very quickly, and then have access with one click to all of our run speed history on every machine, every job history, all the jobs, and link to the item master. But sometimes you're just doing an estimate for a brand new item, and we want to show you what that looks like to create a brand new item on the fly. You don't need to create an item master. We're going to say we're going to do an estimate for 10,000 pieces, and we're going to put it on print form 1, and we're going to do 4 up. We're going to do, say, a tuck top auto bottom. If I know the case back, I can enter it, or the system will calculate one based on weight, and we'll just put size in here. At this point, we can run the estimate if we have a sheet size, or we could actually have the system generate a sheet size with a layout tool. And seeing this as kind of a down and dirty quick estimate, we'll just use this. You can see there's nesting here, so this is an ABC bottom, so we nested between row 1 and 2, then bottom to bottom for row 2 and 3, nested again. So that will give us our layout. When we build this estimate, we're going to see it's going to bring in all of our materials needed for this carton style and colors and so on that I put up above. And then we're going to put in, we're going to see our workflow, sheet, print, cut, glue, based on our configuration for this carton type style, which gluer it's going to run on. And that's all done with the configuration. We can see some run history of other items for that customer to put this in context. At this point, if I wanted to run this for, I also want a 20,000 piece estimate, I can do that. And now I have a couple estimates. I have a 10,000 piece and a 20,000 piece. If I wanted to add another item, item 2 demo, and make this a little bit different quantity, so it wouldn't work great on form 1, so we'll put this on form 2, form 4 up. We'll say it's the same carton, same CAD, we'll assume. Doesn't have to be. You can have as many carton styles, as many CAD numbers used as you want, and so on. So we could get rid of that one there. So at this point, when we build this, now we have form 1 and form 2, and up here we have form 1 and form 2. Form 2, we can change substrates if we want. We can have as many forms, as many substrates, as many dyes, as many items, as many styles, as many materials. Each material can be listed as many times as you want, some included in the price per thousand, some extra. As many machines as you want. Each machine can be listed multiple times, one per form, one per carton, or roll them all up into one row for that machine, however complicated you want to make it. So we're just going to assume that this is a very simple estimate. So we're going to clean this up here. We're going to just run it for one item because that's what we want to demonstrate. And what we're going to see is, as soon as we have our estimate lined up, we can hit print quote, and these forms are completely customizable. So we build the quote how you want it to look for your customer, and we can print an estimate for approval. And once we have it how we want it and approved, when we get the job, we are one click away from making an order. And when we make the order, it's going to make an item master for our brand new item. So let's go ahead and make that order. So we're going to make an order for that item, and it's going to pull up our order. If this is a make and ship, we'll click here and it will make all the releases required. Of course, we're going to have to put start dates and finish dates and so on in here once you make the order, because in your estimate you're not going to know obviously when you're going to start it and so on. Once you've done that, this thing is ready to go out to the shop floor where you can have attachments and so on. So there'll be another video on order processing, but that gives us a look at how to make an estimate for a great brand new item.